You are a pig. Yes, you are. He likes chewing on
Abby jumped.
Quit fighting. See, this one, he doesn't mind me petting him now.
And that's not the little one that let you first.
Doesn't take them long to get friendly.
Oh no, he's getting pretty big.
Ooh, feel that.
Feel those hams. Bacon.
No, this one's... Ouch! What are you doing? See? She'll bite at you if you...
Yeah, you gotta watch your fingers.
Quit.
Maybe it's not such a good idea to be so friendly with them. Okay.
Huh?
Does like Amos does.
Didn't take them long to get used to being touched.